Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to leave a band group band app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to leave a group in band app, what you need to do is first head over and open up your band application, then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, be sure that you are in your home icon on in your home section. Then once you're inside your home section, here what you need to do is select the group that you want to leave. Let me just select this one right here. Then on selecting it, you'll find the gear icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Simply tap on that. Now inside here, what you need to do is click on my settings right here. Then once you're inside there, scroll all the way down and then you'll find the option that says leave this band. Simply tap on that and follow the on-screen instructions to successfully leave the band group or leave the group. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.